Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the rugged world of the best Carhartt seat covers. Unparalleled durability meets ultimate protection. Join us as we explore the top picks to keep your ride both stylish and safeguarded. Let's gear up together. Number 1. Carhartt's SSC 2509 CABN seat covers redefine automotive luxury. Crafted with precision, these covers effortlessly marry durability with style, elevating your vehicle's interior to new heights. The rugged Carhartt fabric ensures longevity, while the tailored fit guarantees a seamless, factory-like appearance. The seat covers boast a distinctive design, blending robustness with sophistication. Installation is a breeze, and the compatibility with all autos makes them a versatile choice. Upgrade your ride with Carhartt SSC 2509 CABN seat covers, where toughness meets refinement on the road. Unleash the power of Carhartt in every drive. Number 2. Carhartt SSC 2412 CABN seat covers redefine automotive luxury. Crafted with precision and durability, these covers are a testament to Carhartt's commitment to excellence. Engineered for all vehicles, their snug fit transforms any ride into a haven of comfort. The rugged Carhartt fabric not only elevates aesthetics but also shields against daily wear and tear. Installing these covers is a breeze, thanks to the thoughtful design. From spills to pet hair, these covers stand guard, ensuring your car's interior remains impeccable. Elevate your driving experience with Carhartt SSC 2412 CABN, where resilience meets refinement, making every journey a statement of style. Number 3. Carhartt SSC 2518 KG seat covers redefine automotive luxury. Crafted for all vehicles, these covers effortlessly marry durability with style. Engineered with Carhartt's signature ruggedness, they withstand the toughest journeys, shielding your seats from wear and tear. The timeless gray hue complements any interior, elevating your car's aesthetic. Easy to install, these covers boast a tailored fit, hugging every contour for a seamless look. From the daily commute to off-road adventures, Carhartt ensures your seats stay pristine. Elevate your driving experience with the SSC 2518 KG, where toughness meets elegance. Drive in style, drive with Carhartt. Number 4. Carhartt's SSC 3452 KG seat covers redefine automotive luxury with rugged sophistication. Crafted for all car types, these covers seamlessly marry durability with style. The heavy-duty material withstands daily wear, shielding your seats from the elements. The subtle gray tone effortlessly complements any interior, adding a touch of class to your ride. Installation is a breeze, fitting like a second skin. Beyond aesthetics, these covers boast a resilience that stands the test of time. Elevate your driving experience with Carhartt, where toughness meets refinement, ensuring your car seats stay protected and polished. Drive in comfort, drive in style. Number 5. Carhartt's SSC 3443 KG seat covers redefine automotive luxury. Crafted with precision, these covers seamlessly marry rugged durability with unmatched style. Designed for all vehicles, they're the epitome of versatility. The durable Carhartt fabric not only withstands the rigors of daily use but also adds a touch of sophistication to your ride. The tailored fit ensures a snug embrace for your seats, while the iconic Carhartt logo showcases your commitment to quality. Upgrade your driving experience with these seat covers, a perfect blend of resilience and refinement that speaks volumes about your discerning taste on the road. In conclusion, Carhartt seat covers stand out as the top choice for durability, functionality, and style. With their rugged construction and unmatched quality, these covers ensure your vehicle's interior stays protected in all conditions. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide helps you make the right choice for your car. Drive in comfort and style with Carhartt seat covers.